Hermione is our resident barn owl, and this is a compilation of nearly 3 weeks of her egg reveals. Along with Dobby, her mate, in this box for a second season, she is a gentle mother carefully watching over her new clutch night and day. She began sitting immediately after her first egg arrived. The vast majority of the time, she sits patiently over her eggs, but from time to time, she needs to reposition and rotate the eggs, and this offers us a glimpse into the growing clutch. 1 to 2 times nightly, she will arise, stretch, and leave the nest for a quick flight, and normally back within 5 minutes. The first egg arrived on the morning of January 30th. Every 2 days, almost always at the same time, Hermione would begin contractions and lay an egg after a few minutes. Then after some rest, she would again change positions and tend to her growing family. We are located in Alpine, California, which is about 25 miles east of San Diego. It has been an abnormally wet winter, which has brought much needed moisture to our dry landscape. The fields and hills in the surrounding area are already green, and the rodent population is providing Dobby with plenty of food. He has been good about bringing in food and allowing Hermione to stay in the nest. Before the eggs arrived, Hermione did not spend as much time in the box when compared to our other nest, which is occupied by Lucy and Desi. Last year, Hermione and Dobby had 8 eggs together, 6 of which hatched, and 3 outlets were able to fledge. Dobby infrequently stays in the nest during the day, with the last time during a storm when there was just 5 eggs. Hermione repositions her food cache regularly, but never leaves her eggs for long. Eventually, it will become hard to cover all the eggs, but she does a great job. We have a good group of people from around the world watching her progress, and we are all looking forward to seeing how many eggs she would lay this year. Please join the live stream and watch the hatchlings grow, and if you have time, check in on Lucy as her eggs are already starting to hatch. Enjoy watching this hardworking mom.